I need chicken food. You can do that, right?
Are you able to do anything without filming me?
Heck no. Let's get to the chicken food. Come on, come on. So I just want to show everybody how strong you are. Super farmer picks up 50 pounds of chicken feed for our turkeys who are starving. No, I know you can do it. There we go. See? You are a farmer. Come on. Those turkeys are hungry. I know you can do it. I know it. I know it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. I know you can. He can do it. I'm pretty sure he can do it.
Are you happy now?
Just think, they're for the turkeys. Our turkeys are starving. He's going down. Poor baby. And he's up. For the turkeys. The turkeys will love you. Okay. You okay? All right? And okay.